Meet Nehemiah. He is a Seventh-day Adventist church member who lives and works in Suva, Fiji. Nehemiah has a passion for health and wants to share health tips with everyone he meets. Today, he is visiting a local school to educate the community about nutrition and dental health.
So I'm here this afternoon with a dietitian to deliver to them some health information.
Members of the local community were invited to this free meeting to learn basic principles that will improve their lives. His dental instructions are helpful for the young and old alike, and Nehemiah has fun doing it.
I enjoy doing this because we promote to people how to live daily from all age groups. We're starting from the womb right up to the senior citizens. Everybody is special, and everybody need to know how to live a healthy lifestyle and have hope in their life every day.
It's important for Nehemiah to share a message of hope to the people he educates. He promotes a holistic method of living so that the people can live a healthy, balanced life.
Health is everything, since it deals with physical, mental, social, and spiritual. And we just can't sort of divide or make it compartmentalize everything, because it has to be in wholeness. And wellness is wholeness. And when we promote health, we are promoting, trying to touch the people's thinking or lifestyle and what they think about, how they perceive things. Sort of directly or indirectly, we're touching the whole aspect of a person.
In Fiji, the rate of non-communicable diseases is quickly increasing. Fiji's Ministry of Health is working hard to educate the nation on how to live a healthier lifestyle. They work closely with the Seventh-day Adventist Church to teach quickly and effectively. Nehemiah now works directly for the Ministry of Health to present how to make lifestyle changes and prevent disease.
So if the disease is caused by lifestyle, then the solution must be oriented towards lifestyle. At least we know that 80% of the solution to any non-communicable disease is lifestyle and 20% medicine. So that's where we are currently working.
As the Adventist Church and Fiji's Ministry of Health continue to work together, they have hope for a bright future. They are putting a major emphasis on nutrition and healthy eating because this will make a huge difference on the population's health. Ismaili is the National Advisor for Non-Communicable Diseases and Wellness. Although he is not an Adventist, he is enthusiastic about collaborating with the Adventist Church.
Not all Fijians smoke, that's one. Only 17% of Fijians smoke, so that's not much of an issue to me. Not all Fijians drink alcohol, it's just about 30%, so 70% don't. Not all Fijians are physically active, but all Fijians eat. And I think nutrition is the powerhouse of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. And I feel because it's that common denominator that rather than reinventing the wheel, I believe if the Seventh-day Adventist Church comes in with a message, that is health message, they are strong in nutrition, it should really help for me, NCD in Fiji, which is a crisis, it's a nutritional issue.
As you can see, the well-being of the Fijian people is becoming a major emphasis throughout the country. In Fiji's capital, Suva, the Seventh-day Adventist Church is already conducting health seminars through church members like Nehemiah. As we continue to promote health, people notice the church's principles and values. It's a platform for the Seventh-day Adventist Church to improve the quality of life in Fiji. This quarter, a portion of your 13 Sabbath offerings will go towards building a center of influence focused on health and wellness, where the community can come to learn and be treated. They already have a site picked out and are eager to expand their health ministry.
And here is the proposed or the possible site for our wellness center, that the Fiji Mission wants to have the wellness center based in Suva, so you can see the site behind me.
Please pray for the church in Fiji. Pray that it will continue to reach its community through health and wellness.
I just want to thank all the churches throughout the world for their contribution that they're going to give in order for the city of Suva, and especially Fiji Mission, to have a site or to have a building for the wellness center.